Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a rabbit, a bear, a squirrel, and an owl. Each animal was good at different things, but they usually worked alone. One day, dark clouds appeared in the sky, and a big storm was coming. The animals were worried and didn't know what to do.
I can dig a small hole to hide in, but it won't fit all of us.
I can find some big branches, but it will take me a long time.
I can collect leaves, but I'm too small to carry a lot.
What if we work together? We all have something special to offer.
The animals looked at each other thoughtfully.
That might work. I can dig, but I can't carry the branches or the leaves.
And I'm too big to dig, but I can definitely gather the branches. It'll be faster if we all help.
I'll gather the leaves. They'll help cover the shelter and keep us dry.
Exactly. Let's all do what we're best at, and we'll have a strong shelter in no time.
The animals quickly got to work. Rabbit began digging small holes to create a solid base for their shelter.
I'll dig these holes nice and deep so the shelter will stay strong.
Bear, using his big paws, began gathering large branches.
These branches will help make the shelter sturdy. It's going to be big enough for all of us.
Squirrel quickly climbs up the trees, collected leaves.
I've got the leaves. I'll cover the top to keep the rain out.
Owl, flying above them, kept an eye on their progress.
Great job, everyone. Keep going just a little more.
After a short while, the shelter was ready. It was big enough for all of them, and just as the rain began to pour, they all climbed inside, safe and warm.
We did it.
We couldn't have done it without each other.
Working together made us stronger.
When we work together, we can do anything.
From that day on, the animals always worked together, and they lived happily in their strong, united forest.